Hello, investors and future millionaires. Are you ready to learn the secrets of the great masters of finance? Today, I'm bringing you an analysis of 3 of the most powerful books in the world of investing, passive income, and financial freedom. We'll be talking about Ray Dalio, Benjamin Graham, and J.L. Collins, 3 authors who have left an indelible mark on the way we understand money and investing. If you're looking for clear, effective, and timeless strategies to multiply your money, this video is for you. Stay until the end to discover which of these books is the perfect fit for you. Before we get started, I want to remind you that you can find all the books links with the best deals in the description below. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the bell icon to get all our updates and share it with your friends. This is High Value Picks. Let's get started. We begin with Principles, Life and Work by Ray Dalio, one of the world's most successful investors and the founder of Bridgewater Associates, the largest hedge fund in the world. Dalio is not only known for his skill in financial markets but also for his principles in life and work, which he applies to both his investment decisions and his personal life. Key ideas from Principles. 1. Decision-making based on principles. The central premise of Principles is that success is based on making clear, well-informed decisions. Dalio argues that decisions should be based on universal principles, not on emotions or assumptions. In his book, he introduces a methodology for developing these principles, which he himself applies in his work and daily life. Why it's relevant: we live in a financial environment full of uncertainty and volatility. The ability to make objective decisions, based on solid principles, can make the difference between success and failure. Dalio teaches readers how to make informed investment decisions, even when markets are in turmoil. 2. The concept of diversification. Dalio advocates for proper diversification to minimize investment risk. In his book, he explains how to spread investments across different asset classes to reduce exposure to risk. Why it's relevant: in an unpredictable financial world, diversification remains one of the best strategies to protect capital and ensure consistent returns. Dalio's approach to diversification is key to building a strong, long-term portfolio. 3. Economic cycles. Dalio is famous for his analysis of economic cycles. In Principles, he describes how cycles of expansion and contraction are inevitable, and how investors can prepare for these changes. Why it's relevant: understanding economic cycles allows investors to anticipate recessions or market bubbles, which is crucial for managing risk in the stock market. Dalio teaches investors to strategically position themselves to take advantage of different phases of the economic cycle. 4. Investor psychology. Dalio also touches on an important point: human psychology in investing. Many poor decisions stem not from a lack of knowledge but from emotional biases such as fear or greed. Dalio teaches how to recognize and control these biases. Why it's relevant: psychology is one of the most influential factors in investor behavior. A deep understanding of how our emotions affect our decisions can make an investor much more disciplined and successful. Why is it the best finance book? Principles is the best for those seeking a strategic and disciplined approach to life and investing. Dalio not only teaches how to invest in the stock market but how to adopt a mindset that enables decision-making based on solid principles. For investors looking to think beyond short-term tactics and build a long-term mindset, this book is essential. Next, we turn to the book considered the Bible of value investing, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, Warren Buffett's mentor. First published in 1949, this book has been the reference for many successful investors and remains relevant in today's market. Key ideas from The Intelligent Investor. 1. Value investing. Graham's main teaching is value investing. This approach is based on finding stocks that are undervalued by the market and buying them when their price is lower than their intrinsic value. Graham promotes the idea that the market is efficient in the long run, but in the short run, it is full of emotions that cause irrational price fluctuations. Why it's relevant: in a volatile stock market, finding good investment opportunities can be difficult. Graham's strategy helps investors reduce risk and take advantage of long-term opportunities based on solid fundamental analysis. 2. The margin of safety. Graham introduces the concept of margin of safety, which means buying assets with a significant discount to their intrinsic value. This margin acts as insurance in case things don't go as expected. Why it's relevant: the margin of safety is crucial in uncertain investment environments. This approach allows investors to minimize potential losses and maximize gains when the market eventually adjusts to the true value of an asset. 3. The importance of patience and discipline. Graham emphasizes that intelligent investing is not speculation. It requires patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. Investors must resist the temptation to react to short-term market fluctuations. Why it's relevant. In a world filled with short-term trading and quick market moves, patience and discipline remain the keys to sustained success. This approach helps investors remain calm and make informed decisions over time. 4. Defensive versus enterprising investors. Graham distinguishes between two types of investors: the defensive investor, who seeks stability and security, and the enterprising investor, who seeks higher returns with more risk. The book explains how each should approach the market differently. Why it's relevant. This allows readers to identify what type of investor they are and adjust their strategies accordingly, whether looking for a more conservative investment or taking on more risk for higher returns. Why is it the best finance book? The Intelligent Investor is the best for those seeking a fundamental investment strategy based on long-term value. Its emphasis on fundamental analysis and long-term value makes it an essential read for any serious investor. Finally, we have J.L. Collins' book, The Simple Path to Wealth, which is an essential guide to achieving financial independence and financial freedom through passive investing. Key ideas from The Simple Path to Wealth. 1. Investing in index funds. Collins is a strong advocate for investing in index funds, which track the performance of an index such as the S&P 500. This approach eliminates the need to select individual stocks, greatly simplifying the investing process. Why it's relevant. Index funds have proven to be one of the most effective and cost-efficient ways to build wealth over the long term, making them an excellent option for those looking to generate passive income. 2. The Path to Financial Independence. Collins promotes the concept of achieving financial independence through consistent investing and wealth accumulation. In his book, he offers practical advice on how to save more, spend less, and secure a financially free future. Why it's relevant. Today, more people are seeking to escape the traditional workforce and live life on their own terms. This book provides a clear and accessible approach to achieving that goal. 3. The Importance of Simplicity. Collins' mantra is clear: simplicity is key. Throughout the book, he advocates for a straightforward, easy-to-understand approach to personal finance that anyone can follow. Why it's relevant. In a world full of complicated financial information, simplicity is crucial. Collins makes personal finance accessible to everyone, regardless of their experience level. Why is it the best finance book? The Simple Path to Wealth is the best for those seeking to achieve financial independence simply and directly. Its practical and accessible approach makes it an essential read for anyone looking to live without relying on a traditional job. And there you have it. 3 unique yet equally powerful approaches to achieving financial freedom and mastering the world of investing. If you're passionate about finance and want to take control of your future, you can't miss reading these books. Each one offers something invaluable, and depending on your goals, one of them will be the perfect path for you. This is High Value Picks, where every pick is an enhancement. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more content on how to improve your financial quality of life. See you in the next video.